What's your opinion on gay marriage?
I don't hate gays. But if some faggot ever tries to touch me, Dad! What?
Dad, there's a bird in the house.
What do you mean a bird?
Oh, I just flew in up north.
Holy shit! Oh, fuck! God damn it! Shit! Shit! Fuck! Shit! 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 Fuck you! Shit! Oh, fuck!
Dad, you're gonna break everything in the